Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about HTML mark tag that is very commonly used and most interesting tag in HTML. So we all must have used it many times in real life too. So we'll discuss everything practically in this video. Before that, you should know that in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 26. And students, if you forgot to watch some previous lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So let's move to the introduction part first, then we'll move to the practical section. So as you can see here, HTML mark tag is used to highlight some text part inside of another element such as paragraph for reference or any notation purpose. So in real life, we always use highlighters to mark some important concepts, right? We always use highlighters in our books. Similarly, in your web page, if you want to highlight some important concepts, if you want to highlight some important formulas, you can use mark tag. This is a newly added tag and introduced in HTML5 only. So students, if you are using some previous version of HTML, you will not be able to get its output correctly, right? And in most of the browsers, the text contained with mark tag renders with yellow background, but it can be changed using CSS background color property. So in this lecture series, we are using HTML only. So in HTML by default, mark tag will use yellow color as the highlighter. Okay. And if you want to change the background color of this mark tag, you can use the CSS background color property. We'll discuss everything about CSS in next chapter. So as you can see here, the syntax says, in between the body tag, we have written one statement using heading 2, that is H2 tag. Then we have used mark tag and P tag. So you can see, you can easily learn designing a website with our mark web designing tutorial. So as you can see here, web designing tutorial, before this particular statement we have started the mark tag, and after this statement we have closed the mark tag. That means only this particular section will get a yellow background. Okay, so let's move to the practical section. Here I will tell you everything that how you can use this tag. So in between the body section, let me just write a paragraph. Hi, my name is ABCD. I am your HTML educator. I love all my students, right? So this is the general statement. Let me just save this. Let's say highlight. Okay, save. What we need to do here is mark.html. So here we have mark.html. So you can see, hi, my name is ABCD. I am your HTML educator and I love all my students. I just want to highlight specific statements, a specific line. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add mark tag and we need to close the mark tag, save and refresh. So you can see the difference. Hi, my name is ABCD. I'm your HTML educator and I love all my students. You can use so many tags along with this mark tag. For example, if you want to use, you can change the font color. Font color, let's say green. Okay. And you can change the font size. Font size, let's say 30. And what we need to do here is just close the font tag, save and refresh. Now let's just do one more experiment. As you can see here, students, everything is in green, but the section we have highlighted is in black color. Text is in black color and its background is yellow. This is how mark tag actually works. Okay, let's do one more experiment with this. Let's say I am using here I means italic tag, and we need to close this, save, and then refresh. Also, I can use underline tag. I can use underline tag along with this. Okay, save and refresh, right? So this is how we can use mark tag. Let's just use some another example. I'm taking here H2. Okay, I'm taking H2, that is heading 2. Under this heading 2 section, let me just write, hi students, in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 26, where, sorry, where we are discussing about HTML mark tag. This tag is very important for your examination. I hope you understood the concepts. Thanks. Okay, so let's just save this and refresh. So students, you can see here what is the problem in this statement. I have used mark tag here. Okay, so let me change this section. Let me just, sorry, let me just add pre tag here. Pre means predefined. You can say predefined, you can say pre-satisfied. Save. Okay, just change this. Okay, so now in this particular statement, I just want to highlight that this tag is very important for your examination. This tag is very important for your examination. So what we need to do here is we need to begin the mark statement, and after that what we need to do is we need to close this mark tag, save and refresh. So this tag is very important for your examination. So this is how we can use the mark tag. If you want to change the font color, font size of this particular paragraph, you can do anything. Okay, so let me just do it for you.